DJA TV.
No talking.
So that is why I was saying you don't have to say that these people are not
This is a very historical moment in the history of our nation. And the truth of the matter is that we cannot afford to be left out of this scenario. Even the police know in their right that we have the right to be at the court.
even murder case in the enter court.
One passport now, where will they go? And where are supposed to stay now?
You understand? So more follow all protocol videos right now.
You are going too fast for them.
No. Officer, Chief.
This is where we are stopping. Officer. This is our spot. No. We are not staying here. No, we are staying here. We are staying here.
What do you want to go to there?
We are staying here.
This is where we are going to
Stay. You go shut them now. I want to to go with them and say you are the àkọ́jà bí ọ̀tá wà gan àti ń sọ yẹn wà á fẹ́ gbé wa lọ jẹ gbogbo. ó bẹ lọ kó wa tó wà wà bá ń tẹ̀.
So the police are actually preventing them from. Yeah.
I saw what happened to my colleagues. They know this. Listen to me. I'm taking for a thing. No problem.
I said I don't want to make noise. We will say it quietly. We cannot go to court and wait.
Go down there. That's the directive given to me. I'm not passing it.
Sir, the truth of the matter is whatever directive given to you must comply with our right to express ourselves. You don't work for the court.
Hello.
And I'm sure the court cannot give that
Listen to me.
directive.
Listen to me.
I'm listening to you,
I'm
sir.
here for the peace of this country.
Of course.
Okay.
I'm also
And
here
if
for
you're
the
right,
peace of the country.
Madam, don't video me.
No, it's a right to film. It's a right.
Na journalist.
Yes, she's a journalist. It's a right to film.
You can't say we got a video.
It's a right to
Nobody is
film.
videoing. It's only
None of us is videoing.
She's a journalist.
There is
Look at
nothing like
everybody. Nobody is using phone. I say every other person.
we came to cheer up our man.
Sir, we say everybody should.
This is not a
It's only
protest.
journalists that we can allow.
This is not a protest. We are here to attend the court session.
If no, nah, Oga Kabiru, if you know me, Oga Kabiru, if you know me outside here, you will be proud to I am your son.
Listen to me. Don't hold me here and they are doing nothing.
You are not doing anything there. Sir, you are the one elongating this discussion. Nobody is doing anything. But that place they are asking us to go is too far.
Well enough because
It's too far.
I've seen you are a learned officer. You are not. No, I understand. Give honor to whom honor is due.
If you respect me, you will know you hate me like me.
But sir, where's the argument? You gave us a simple.
Whether you are recording my conversation, right? Come on, journalist.
I'll come back. See, no amount of intimidation. You said? No amount of intimidation should allow They were supposed to be here at least. But now we say no amount of intimidation. I'm not saying that should allow. They were not moving from this point. Listen to me. But why was supposed to go to the front? It was supposed to be at the entrance of the court. Because all of us cannot enter in like that.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, my brother, how now?
Fine, sir.
Now here I get business. This is Federal High Court, Abuja.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.